amazing listeners from every village, town, city, and the corner of a beautiful nation. You are tuned into Public Reflections, Unity and Democracy, the show that lights up your heart and awakens your spirit. Yes, today we celebrate the strength of our people, the heartbeat of our constitutions, and the colors of our unity. Fasten your seatbelts because the next 40 minutes will be a roller coaster of stories, music, fun, and inspiration. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसितान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. What makes India united? When I think of unity, I see a big thali. So many dishes, each unique but together a big feast. And when I think of diversity, I think of Indian festivals, Holi's colors, Eid's kindness, Christmas carols, Guru Purab's devotion and Pongal's warmth. We may speak different languages, but laughter is the same everywhere. Our unity is not just a history, it's our daily choice. India has 22 official languages, 720 dialects, hundreds of tribes, thousands of traditions, and one constitution that protects every single voice. And this unity is real backbone of our democracy. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा तो सुर बने हमारा. यूनिटी की बातें, डेमोक्रेसी की बातें, दिल से दिल मिल जाए, रेडियो डांस सुन जाए. Now we present the one-act skit, Unity within Democracy. This is not just a bus stop made of stone and dust. It is a place where thoughts gather, where questions are born, and the real journey of a nation quietly begins in the minds of its people. I have been standing here for so long. Excuse me, does anyone knows when Harmony Nagar will arrive? Everyone talks about it, but no one seems sure. Child, that bus is strange. It may be late by the clock, but it's never late on purpose. Purpose? It's only a bus. How can a bus have a purpose? Children, Harmony Nagar is not a place where people treat each other as equals. Where people treat each other as equals and where no one is judged them by their religion, language or background. And where people stand together when even times are also difficult. So if it's not the place, how will reach Harmony Nagar? You reach with understanding, not tickets, with values, not money. Unity is your entry pass, respect is your luggage, responsibility is your seat. Bus number 1947, destination Harmony Nagar. But before boarding the bus, let's know some rules. Carry love in your hearts, respect in your words, and hope in your actions. Sir, what if people enjoy their rides but forget about their duties? Will the bus still move? Look within yourself, citizen. Democracy does not survive on promises alone. It survives on actions, small daily actions. I see myself helping someone in trouble, standing up for a child being bullied, and caring environment around me. That is my responsibility. When a citizen acts responsibly, democracy becomes strong and meaningful. Now I see myself standing in a voting line, thinking carefully before choosing, understanding that my vote is not just a mark but a voice. That is power. One wise vote can protect the future of millions. I see people holding hands, different religions, different languages, yet walking forward together. That is unity. Unity is not sameness. It is respect for differences. राइट्स मिलते ही हम जिम्मेदारी भूल जाते हैं? नहीं, जिम्मेदारी निभाने से ही हम सच्चे नागरिक बनते हैं. Vote wisely, not blindly. Speak kindly, not angrily. Stand boldly for what is right. India is the world's largest democracy with over 900 million voices. From villages to parliaments, power flows upwards from the people. We may have many opinions, but we share one future. We may follow many religions, but humanity unites us all. We may dream differently, but we work towards our own nation. We speak many languages, but our hearts beat as one India. Democracy is not just something we only celebrate. It is something that we practice every day. Unity is not forced upon us. It is chosen by us. A strong India begins with responsible citizens like us. Unity gives us strength. Responsibility protects democracy. And the future of India lives in today's children. Vande Mataram. Vande